Nah, but hold up. What the fuck? Today we are going to be taking my beautiful 5th generation Camaro ZL1 to a secret Florida hidden gem about an hour and a half away from here. Accompanying me is going to be this beautiful Cayman 718 GT4 and of course Bryce's 992 Turbo S. Damn, dude. What do you guys think of the R35 GTR, man? Shit sounds so good, man. Oh my god, annihilated! Annihilated! Like, why did I even try, bro? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. You know what? I just thought about it now. The reason why I didn't beat the GTR, I didn't have traction control on. Hey, yo. This right here, this is Florida. Damn, some BBQ right now. I just realized that my dashboard be looking like a Christmas tree, and we're in August. Bro, this is literally that episode of SpongeBob when Squidward like became one with the other squid. Yo, there's literally a prison here. Oh my god. that woke me up for sure. Yo, we're in the country, baby. Now you know we're in the Everglades. Look at that. Wow. Do you want to stop here really quick? Yeah. Dale, go ahead. Thank you, sir, for hooking it up with the entrance free. We have a week. We can come during the week. This is a nice spot though. Yo, how's your front? Mine's cooked.
You're gonna do a little birdie.
Absolutely not. Yo, that was weird. Yeah, the Insta thing popped off. Look at all these dead trees here. They are dead, right? Bruh. Bye. Guy Bradley, bruh. Jesus. Alright, so this is the restaurant here at Flamingos. So boys, that was a fun trip?
Super fun.
That was fun.
We gotta come back.
It's like discovering new places. Yeah.
There we go, chicken club. Bon appetit, boys.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, good.
The burger review.
Yeah, the food was definitely good, but the drive is what really sold me to come back here.
I'm okay with just going.
Same.
We had to run, I can sleep and fall.
Men used to go to war. Hey, now you can slide. Yo, is that a mosquito on my camera? Gotcha. 2 million years from now, I'm gonna get GV clones running around thanks to the Jurassic Park philosophy. What the f***? Yeah. Nah, but hold up. No. Yeah, so that's super weird, guys. I heard something like fluttering from here. In reality, the way that I drive this car, it wouldn't surprise me if something starts to happen. Yeah, so far everything seems to be okay. I'm on 6th gear, chilling, but not trying to discover anything now, so damn. And I kind of wanted to take a beautiful picture around here. Let's give it a slight pull to see if the noise comes back. Nothing. Maybe it was something that got caught, like a twig or something. I don't know. I did go over the grass, so maybe it got like brushed off. Nowadays, you can never tell. Oh, a Florida grasshopper. Oh, they're well fed out here. Oh shit.
There's so many.
I gave it just a little bit too much gas there. Well, guys, it looks like we are now exiting the national park, and I just want to kind of like recap of how absolutely beautiful the Everglades run rally that we just did today was. I mean, I'll be honest, there's a lot of green space here. I wouldn't mind a Chick-fil-A, maybe a Walmart. Well, I hope you guys found this video informative and entertaining. This was just, again, such a beautiful drive, and definitely we're going to come out here with a larger group to redo this drive again. I mean, we got to come out here and film more content here. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Last but not least, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, rallies, or any other content with the Florida car scene or with my car. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.